This week I'm testing the Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a 5-seater SUV, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is I can fit 3 InfoSecure child seats across the back seats of the Tiguan. I've got 2 InfoSecure Attain More and 1 Achieve More back here. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Number 2 is the boot floor of the Tiguan can be lowered down about 10 centimetres, which makes storing double and twin prams in the boot much better. Number 3 is the adjustable headrest. It makes it so much more comfortable to be able to adjust them so I can keep my ponytail in. We've loved driving the Volkswagen Tiguan with our family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.